where water flows from a high level and goes all the way down a huge rock. It is normally in a gorge. Waterfalls are very loud and little louder than wow! A lot of people see waterfalls as the most beautiful piece of nature. Today, guys, we're going through our top 5 waterfalls found in the continent of Africa. Right, guys, let's get into this video, but first I need you to do one thing. Make sure you smash the thumbs up and subscribe the button down below. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 5, Ouzoud Falls in Morocco. Ouzoud Falls is seen as one of the most beautiful waterfalls in the world. It is 110 meters tall. It is the tallest waterfall in North Africa. You can swim in the pool below. You can find lots of monkeys around the waterfall. Look at the monkey there, a monkey there, a monkey there, a monkey there. I'm surrounded of monkeys! Number 4, Kalambo Falls in Tanzania and Zambia borders. Kalambo Falls is the second tallest uninterrupted falls in Africa. It is along the Kalambo River. It takes 3 to 4 hours to hike to the top. I'm hiking. Kalambo Falls is 235 meters high. It is the 12th tallest waterfall in the world. People have been living around the waterfall for over 250,000 years. Number 3, Kongou Falls in Gabon. Congo Falls is Africa's widest waterfall. Guys, it's 3,200 wide. I need more space for wide. The height is 56 meters. It's one of the world's powerful waterfalls in the world. The movie Tarzan was filmed at Congo Falls. People call Congo Falls the original Garden of Eden. Number 2, Tugela Falls in Africa's tallest waterfall. Water drops from 948 meters high and is one of the most largest waterfalls. It has the 10th largest uninterrupted water drop at 411 meters. Tugela Falls has 5 levels. In the winter, the upper part of the waterfall.
Raya, are you frozen? Guys, looks like Raya's frozen. Uh-oh. Unfreeze!
Number 1, Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe and Zambia borders. Victoria Falls indefinitely is Africa's most famous waterfall. It is also one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Victoria Falls has the most amount of water falling. It has 50 million cubic meters of water that drops each minute in its peak. It is known as the world's largest waterfall. It is 108 meters tall at 1,708 meters wide. Water always flows from Victoria Falls. People all over the world travel just to visit Victoria Falls. Wow, guys, how amazing are these waterfalls? Have you ever been to a waterfall, guys? I think it's time for us to visit some right now, guys. Let's go! Wow, guys, aren't these waterfalls amazing? Look at them, they're all dropping down. Look! All dropping down. They look so beautiful. And then I'm dropping down so much. And then I can get my hair wet. Wow! What a beautiful piece of artwork. These are so amazing. I wish I lived near one. Guys, I love these waterfalls, but now it's time to head back to the studio. So there you have it, guys. The top 5 waterfalls in Africa. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. And thanks for watching Kids Black History. And make sure you check out all other episodes on Kids Like History and Raya Fun Play. And make sure you smash the thumbs up. Give me an extra smash the thumbs up. And make sure you give me an extra subscribe the button down below. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.